In this vid, I'm just going to cover off creating military symbols on the map. So I've chosen a very light map background, as you can see here at the moment. And as you know, you can select that map by virtue of going into whatever it is that if you're online, whatever that map type is that you're after. So as you can see, I've gone from that back to something a bit lighter. So I'm just doing a light grey so that the symbols really stand out for the sake of the demonstration. So that's all, just so you're aware. Okay, so to create symbols on the map, and by the way, we can change the size of the symbols, which we will do here at the moment. We'll just move, correction, not in that section there. We'll go into the map section and we'll go down to the symbol size and we'll just lower it a bit because I prefer to have them a little bit smaller so they don't jump out at me. So to create a symbol, a military symbol on the map, first of all we identify where it is that we want to place the symbol. So we will place a symbol in this particular instance at the intersection here. So we right click on that location and then the wheel appears and you will see there is the military symbols. So we can create the call sign for the military symbol, so we'll just call it test, whatever that may be. So what its affiliation is, whether it's friendly, what type it is. So we'll create a land unit at the moment for the demonstration. We'll make it a maneuver and we're going to make it infantry. So we could select infantry and then we can select that they are a standard motorized infantry, and we're going to not worry about that, but they are a company. So we won't worry about the headquarters at the moment. So you can see we might make that so it stands out a bit bigger, better. There's the cross, as you can see on top. So once we've done that and we've chosen that's the symbol, we can hit create symbol. It will then appear as a number, or that particular symbol being the first one. There'll be a 1 above the overlay part here. So we'll keep an eye on that and we'll come back to that. So we can now place our next military symbol down, whatever that might be. We'll give it it's a call sign, Fred. Its affiliation, and this is also a friendly. And it is a fires. No, we'll go do something totally different. We're going to have a land equipment. So we're going to have a rifle, for example. So weapon, rifle, that'll do. Single shot. And we'll say it is presently damaged. So we can put it there. And we're going to create that symbol. And there you'll see it's 2. So now we'll do something a little bit different. So we're operating in this area here and we'll call that the area of operation. So in this particular instance, we can click anywhere. We can create the first, we'll call it AO for the sake of name at this point in time. It's going to be friendly. It's going to be a control measure and it's going to be a command and control area. And we're going to have an area of operation. So that's what we're choosing. And now we're going to draw what that is. So we click on draw and then we can start drawing the outline of the area of operation. So we're going to start up here, go over to here, down to here, click, over to here, click. So that's our area finished. Now this will look really weird, but you come back and hit finish and it will create the area of operation. So we can change that. We'll call that Harry. As you can see, AO Harry. So we can create that symbol, and now we've increased by up to 3. So we can do all sorts of symbols. Obviously, we can make like another control measure. We might say that we have mission statements or something, whatever that might be. So let's have a look. Mission tasks. Yeah, we'll do a mission task. We'll do a clear, and we're going to draw the clear from, I don't know, from here to there. So note that that's where I click, and now I've finished. That's where it'll go. And that's freaky how it does that thing there, but that's what it does. We can move these if we want, so we can move it by double clicking on the symbol. So we double click on the symbol until it's highlighted, or once we've created it, create the symbol. So now we can double click on it and we can move it. So we can move that if that's in the wrong spot. So we put it over here. Same for this guy. We can double click on him, move him. So he's actually supposed to be there. Or we can edit him. Doesn't matter. So we got it wrong. He's actually fully capable. And that's what we want. Save those changes. So we can pretty much do all of the 2525 symbology type. It doesn't really matter. Whatever type of symbol you're after in the military context. So as you can see, we've got the land units, land civilian, the whole shebang in the list, including the modifiers. So we can look at, say, the fixed wing medevac, and we have these got no status. We'll leave him alone. But the modifier, he might be, I don't know, whatever that is, cargo or something. And you'll see the modifier appear on top, or whatever the particular modifier is. So all of them are there. Create whatever you want. Edit them, move them, change them. No dramas. Create your opboard as you see fit first. Once you're happy with your opboard, that's when we can send out the overlay. So not until you've finished your opboard or your laydown would you send it. However, you can, if you want, create a symbol, whatever that might be. We'll say we're going to do, I don't know, a land installation, and it is a ammo cache in the first instance. We may, if we want, send that straight away. So you can see on this wheel, this sends straight away. So rather than moving it or editing it, so we're going to send that guy. So he will go. You'll note that the others don't go. So there's that option as well. So if you need to be able to put something down immediately, and whilst you're doing or building your opboard, you can do that as well. So that's up to you. But once you're happy and we want to send that now, all we have to do is select the button for the overlay, and that will go out. So we'll do that, and it's now gone to the rest of the nodes on the network. But again, these can be moved again, and everybody on the network is updated with that change once we select the overlay change. Hopefully I've covered it all, and that's basic overview of creating military symbols or creating your opboard in Iris. Thank you.